Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Palantir squeezing up, guys, like crazy. What's going on, everybody? We have a huge earnings for Palantir. And it's still jumping right now, almost 25% up from yesterday. Let's get right to it, guys. We have a major update for you. We've got PayPal, the same. We expect a pullback after the earnings. We got Palantir jumping, AZR pulling back. Yeah, TR. This one did really good jump in the pre-market. We expect a pullback as well. Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Good morning, Sally, Lazy, George. Bonjour. Always today we'll have another Bitcoin pullback. Yeah, I'm waiting for another pullback. Yes. Yes, man. It was great pullback last Monday, man. The perfect pullback for crypto stocks. Let's see if we got something here in the pre-market. Top volume gainer and top gainer for today is AZTR. Zitra. I think it's a pharmaceutical company, this one. Let's see. It's a strong sell from the technical point of view. Now is this jumping? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Carlo, one of our neighbors from Germany. How you say good afternoon in German? I know good morgen, Jubans, or good morgen, but good night. I don't know how you say it, or good afternoon in German. Good Nacht, yeah. Namtag. Guten Namtag. I think in Dutch they say guten Morgen, good Nacht. Yeah, it's kind of similar. Buenas tardes from Luis. We have all the languages here, guys. All the languages in the world in our community. Whatever language and wherever you are, guys, you are welcome. There's no difference. We are in the same blue planet. We same rock gravitating in the universe, in the void. So wherever you are, doesn't matter. We are one. Let's get right to it. But guys, diversity is good. That's what make life is really interesting. And that's why we travel in order to taste new food, new culture, new words, and new languages. So this is interesting. But if you think about the big picture, there is no difference. Exactly, John. Exactly, man. Wherever you are, black, white, Caucasian, red, blue, whatever color, or even color or languages or food, doesn't matter. What doesn't matter is Palantir gaining back some ground, 23% for today. Guys, Palantir, we did a nice jump for it. Yes, we did 2 trades yesterday for our elite members. Palantir, it was great trade. For PayPal, we didn't have a good pump because we got shorted around the 93. Now testing the first support. However, PayPal did really great. As we said, if we held the 78, we're gonna have a huge jump. So guys, this one could be good to close at the market open because I expect a huge pullback at the market open. We have a great entry yesterday from the average price $82, and now it is hovering around the $103. Nice hunt for our elite members. Palantir, finally, we have some gains on Palantir. We got PayPal, yeah, breaking the support. So PayPal, I expect a pullback down toward the 76. This one will be a great dip, guys, here for PayPal. So I'm watching for a huge pullback. Huge pullback is coming. Anyway, we got AZTR is still holding, EVAX is still holding, and A or IVVD is still over the support. So the top gainer for today is AZTR. So we could put it first because it is the strongest. SMCI, we did the swing trade for it yesterday, guys. We did a great swing trade for SMCI because we spotted this bottom. We said the 25.39 is the reversal, and profit taking is around the 28 and 30. Look at this beautiful reversal, guys. We reversed almost 15% for SMCI yesterday. And now he's pulling back. I'm watching for this pullback, so it's still looking good for a reversal for SMCI. Tesla is still hovering sideways. Yeah, Palantir is madness. Yeah, man, I know. Yeah, Palantir, it is madness right now, guys. Yesterday was great entry for our, we did short update for it. And now we're waiting for the market open. We might have a flush, guys, for it. But we got a big buyer. This was unusual, guys, here. The 76.46. I was waiting for exiting for Palantir in the pre-market, but the price held here. So I said, okay, I could do train stop, so I don't have to close it. And we pushed back another 5%. This was really crazy. Usually we don't have this kind of jump in before the market opened. 7% reversal, man. To be honest, guys, this is unusual. And if you see the price analyst target, they give it 16% down around the 69.69. So they expect the price to be around the 69. But if you calculate from the 69 until here, they expect the price to go 50% down. Is overvalued for my opinion right now, Palantir, guys, and FOMO. There's a huge FOMO, and I think there is not just whale buying, but rookie traders who just came in and make the fuel on Palantir. Yeah, man, it's too much. Palantir broke all the rules. You don't have to look for your indicators, man, anymore. Palantir is breaking all the rules. Palantir is the exception, I think, for the rule. CNY? Why? Why CNY? Is not there, man. Is dead. Are you sure? VLCN is reversing. Let's check VLCN if it starts to reverse. Holy moly. This one jumping right now. Yeah, we have a huge pump for this one. But now it's pulling back, so it could pull back around the 5. It is overextended for now for VLCN. too much extended, but I'm gonna keep it here because it just came right now. Yeah, Nvidia could have the same that happened for Palantir, man. We might have a huge reversal for Nvidia as well. Nvidia right now, yes, is pulling back still. Still pulling back. I'm still waiting for Palantir to go down. Earnings for Nvidia coming up at the end of this month. So there's still room for for Nvidia to go down before a huge pump at the earnings. Yeah. If we have great earnings, we might jump huge for Nvidia. Holy moly, Nvidia dropped from 3 trillion to 2 trillion. Are you kidding me? It lost a lot market share. Look at that. Exactly 2 trillion, guys. Let us see number one. Number one, it is right now Apple, guys. Apple is number one. You see, Apple is 3 trillion. Microsoft is 3 trillion. So the only one is 3 trillion right now is Apple and Microsoft. And maybe Microsoft will dip as well below the 3 trillion, and Apple will be the only one. Because Microsoft right now, let's see Microsoft, if it's down after the earnings, because we got earnings. Yeah, because it went down after the earnings, Microsoft, guys. We have bad earnings. So we might have another drop for Microsoft, 4%, and this would be enough for Microsoft to lose the market share and go toward below the 3 trillion. And Apple will be the only one because Apple is still strong. And of course, we don't have the earnings yet. Oh, I think we have earnings. Yeah, and dropped as well for Apple. So yeah, this year we might have all the stock go below the 3 trillion because right now Microsoft and Apple is the only one are in over 3 trillion. But Microsoft, I think, would lose the 3 trillion uh, territory and go toward the 2 trillion. Yeah. So Apple would be the only one because it's 3.5. Yeah, Nvidia lost it. Amazon lost it as well. Google lost it. Google never been in 3 trillion, so Amazon was under 3 trillion, I think. Let's see, Amazon. Amazon, I think, have earnings coming up this week. Yeah. Now, Amazon never went toward the 3 trillion. So Amazon might be in the 3 trillion mark if it had good earnings this Thursday. Yeah, this Thursday. It could be good. Because last earnings we got the huge earnings for Amazon and jumped really big. Yeah, jumped 7%. Yeah, wants Microsoft to go down, man. More 4% would be great. As we said, guys, Palantir, we did this short analysis update before the earnings. It was a great hunt for us. We're waiting for the market open to close this trade because it is overextended for my opinion right now. So it's better to take profit than wait for a drip for Palantir. And we could do another strategy, which is holding. As long as we hold the 97, is mean Palantir will continue up, maybe around the 30%. So now it's 24%. Yeah, we might have the 110, then we flush. This is kind of the target. But yeah, 97 is really strong support for Palantir. Hit the like button and the way in, everybody. Don't forget. Let's see Yoka. Yeah, PayPal. Ryoka reversing, yes, reversing a bit from the 1550. We still have a resistance, brother, around the 24. So yeah, we got a little reversal. We might get shorted around the 21 and 24. So here there's a gap or a cloud of short sellers. So it is a bit dangerous, man. I don't trust it that much. So we got yeah, we got the resistance is not clear for me that much here. Yeah, maybe the 21 should be a resistance. Yeah, 21. It is the resistance. So it's not my cup of tea, man. VLCN, EVAX, IVVD, PayPal. IVVD start to reverse here from the 116. Yeah, it look really interesting right now. EVAX still good or not? EVAX. AVAX is still good once we break at the market open this resistance. Yeah. Okay. To be honest with you guys, this one I don't trust it that much. So will be good if we go toward the 340, but for now, I don't trust the resistance because we might have a fake out, like what happened here. So I don't trust the breakout up. So I'll wait for a pullback more. VLCN, much stronger. Still holding, just came right now. And AZTR the same. PayPal, I needed to go down, man. I wanted to go down more. Otherwise, I will never enter for this play. The hardest thing is to let go, man. To let go for the person that you want or to marry or whatever. Let it go. For the job that you want, let it go. For the things that you want. But it's kind of paradoxical because if you want something, you have to go for it and fight for it. It's kind of paradoxical. It's kind of the same with quantum world, you know? Everything's paradoxical. We see that light behave like a like particle and a wave at the same time. The same with needing something and let it go. So it's kind of everything's related if you go back and see the smaller picture. The quantum world actually affects our physical world, so everything's paradoxical. That's why letting go, if you think about it, letting go is kind of, some people will say it is giving up on life, but letting go is kind of the best way to live life without expecting anything in return. But at the same time, of course, doing your thing. So if you want to play guitar or go for a trip, you just do the thing. You don't overthink about it. And if you had a problem to go, like let's say, for example, book the airplane and the flights get canceled, perfect. You just book another flight. So you don't overthink about why the flight got canceled in the first place. The same with trade with stocks. Sometimes you get kind of really bad luck, like you choose the wrong stock and you have like, let's say, five stocks, and one stock that you choose is the only one that go down and you lose money on it and the rest is go up. So those kind of things that happen to you during life or during trading will, in the indirect way, will test your character. So you don't say I have bad luck, you will say perfect, life is challenging and now I have to figure out a way to go back and do better. So you don't have to take it personally, you know. Yeah, it's kind of funny, man. The moment that I stopped looking for money and even love right now, the moment that like people and love come to your way, because you don't need it, you know. Once you don't need the thing, it will come to you. And this is kind of a really good example for my life right now. The best kind of story I got, it was really funny story. Uh, I was like planning to go to like North Pole and seeing the Northern Light. And guess what happened? I booked even a like organized trip to hunt for the aurora. And guess what? The day that I booked my trip and even paid in advance, the weather was cloudy. It's impossible to see anything. So the next day, I said, screw it. I'm not looking for the northern light. I'm not looking for nothing. I will go to the farm or the wilderness and just enjoy my time, you know? Have barbecue, eat my chicken, and chill. After I finish eating and start to walk in the wilderness, and I looked up and I saw it, the green light dancing in front of my face, and I was laughing. It's like, okay, I don't look for it, and now it just came for me. So it was a good lesson for me to stop looking, man. Stop looking for anything, and will come to you. So now I will stop looking for the unicorn, and the unicorn will come to us. And of course, you have to plan for it. You don't have to go sleeping and never doing anything or open an account or learn about trading and expect that you're gonna make money. No, no, no. You do your due diligence, you do your homework, you join us on our Discord, of course, to be prepared for our live streaming and have the watch list ready. Then you do your thing, you trade, and then you get lucky by catching the right unicorn. So guys, for now, we've got SMCI, ABBV, TEM doing all right. We got AZTR, VLCN. Those stocks could be really good in the pre-market today. So let us do something here. Bring our disclaimer and of course the countdown for the market open for today. So guys, we've got 2 minutes left. So remember, guys, remember that we are not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, hit the like button and the way in and out. And share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. Remember, we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon. Yesterday, we hunted for Palantir. And we did this chart analysis update for our members on Discord. And of course, right now, we be ready to close this trade because yesterday, Palantir have a huge FOMO after the earnings. So guys, let's get right to it. And of course, let me just put the link to our Discord and Patreon, guys, if you want to join us for early access. And of course, warning and alert for day trade and swing trade like what we did yesterday for Palantir. So let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like button. Let's hit the 50 likes. We got 19 likes for today. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. Even if you hit the dislike, I don't, or I will never see it. I will never judge you. Okay? If you hit the dislike, please let me know why. Don't ghost me. Don't be like my ex. Tell me why. Communication is the best thing in life. You have to communicate and say what you don't like in order to improve. Otherwise, we never improve. We'll be in the dark and we'll be in a caveman right now if we never communicate and know what's the problem. So let's get right to it, guys. Palantir, it is doing all right now, and the market is about to open in a few seconds right now. Palantir, guys, it is the one we holding over the 97.46. The entry was from yesterday here before the earnings. We jumped, and now we have another support over the 97.46, 23% right now. Okay, the market is open, I think. Yes, market is open. Palantir is pulling back. So I think it's better to close Palantir right now, guys. I expect a pullback right now. A huge pullback for Palantir. So PayPal, yeah, PayPal, I'm expecting another pullback. Maybe we buy the dip for PayPal instead. Now it look interesting for a reversal. If we pull back toward the 76 would be great. Palantir, it is overextended for my opinion here. IVVD, nothing. This one, nothing. And we got SMCI, ABVV, Tesla, Mara. Nothing here. Yeah, SMCI could be good right now. Yeah, SMCI looking really interesting here. Good morning, Vocal. Good morning, man. So SMCI still holding the 2770, could be good for reversal at the moment if we held here. PayPal trying to reverse, but I don't trust it here. SMCI looking interesting for today. Dexter, no problem. I will reply on your question later, man. Yeah, PayPal looking interesting for a dip. Palantir, yeah, still strong. Yeah, Palantir is still strong here. VLCN still strong. AZTR the same. EVAX is getting near the bottom. Let's see TNXP if start to reverse. Nothing much. Interesting movement from NVIDIA. Okay, Palantir is still jumping. Unusual jump as well. Palantir. Unpredictable, man. Yoka still below the resistance 21, so it's not reversing yet. Yeah, Palantir is still jumping, man. We have a huge FOMO, guys, for Palantir. Huge FOMO. Okay, we got a bit of resistance here. 104. We already reversed 4% from the market open. VLCN, I think, is halted right now. Let's see the halted stock. VLCN is halted. The only one is halted right now. Palantir, man, it is tempting, but I don't trust it after the 105. I don't trust it anymore. So the risk here, if you want to play Palantir, 7%, because the strongest support is the 97.55. LITM. LITM. We've got a pullback for it. No good for today. Yeah, FOMO is on for Palantir. SMCI looking interesting right now because we held the 27.72. Still waiting for PayPal to push down another 4%. Yeah, SMCI could be really good for today. IVVD, we got double top around the 142. We pulling back. EVAX is still struggling. VLCN, we got unhaltation, huge jump for VLCN, guys. VLCN could be the candidate right now for a trade. But I don't like it because we have a limit to buy this one. Look at that. We have a limit to buy just 25 shares. So I'm gonna take it from the list because it's, yeah, nonsense to play this one. But it's the only one that look really strong. VLCN, guys. I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list here. It hit our profit taken right now around the 772 precisely. Precisely. So even the haltation happened there around the 770. Nice. Palantir, finally, we have a pullback. Really interesting. Palantir is really strong for today. Pretty strong. It's about to break here. Yeah, it's breaking. Palantir, it is breaking out. This is madness. A new high for Palantir. Are we gonna have 100% for Palantir today, guys? This is madness. Yeah, Palantir is going to the Falahala. SMCI, if we pull back, it could be good for another dip. Might put the support here. Might put alert here just in case if we broke. Palantir 105.95. PayPal, nothing. Yeah, Palantir is dangerous, man. It is too dangerous right now. Let's see if we hold. Think this is it. Wow, every dip there's someone buying for Palantir. Every dip there's someone buying. Okay, 105.50. We got support here. 105.50. New support. Palantir, guys, was from one of our trade yesterday. We did this chart yesterday for entry for Palantir. We said if we held the 78.20, we're gonna pump up. We said it yesterday before this jump once the price was around the 82. And now 106. Go figure. 106 and still jumping. 105.70. So we have a nice support here. If we continue to hold, this means we're gonna jump more. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Palantir, there's no stopping for this stock. Going up like no tomorrow. Yeah, it's getting dangerous by the second here. Yeah, it's getting really dangerous, man. I think we never have this kind of jump before, 27% without any pullback for Palantir. You know, I'm gonna take my eyes from Palantir for now. I might just put alert for it once we break this support. Otherwise, I'm not gonna watch it here. It's a bit dangerous to enter. SMCI still have a bit of chance for reversal if we broke the 28.38. Yeah, there's a chance for a reversal here. Yeah, SMCI looking interesting here. Alex, no time, no see. Where have you been, man? Taking time off. The new year just finished almost 1 month ago. Yeah, SMCI looking interesting for a reversal here. Yeah, SMCI looking great, guys. So I'm gonna put alert for SMCI up here. Yeah, is kind of breakout right now, SMCI. Today could be the day for SMCI to squeeze again. PayPal, yeah, still trending down, PayPal. Let's see. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia is moving up. Yeah, everybody feeling FOMO and missed out on the Palantir, so everybody betting on Nvidia right now. Everybody betting that Nvidia will do the same like Palantir. We might have the same reaction for Palantir. So we have to be ready. Watch out, SMCI want to squeeze again for today. Yeah, Nvidia, we got a little breakout here. Look, really interesting Nvidia right now. Interesting. Nvidia, we got yeah, huge buyer right now for Nvidia. Yeah, huge buyer for Nvidia right now. I'm gonna put alerts just in case for Nvidia if we pull back. Yeah, PayPal is still going down. EVAX testing a nice bottom, guys. EVAX testing a good bottom right now. Yeah, EVAX testing a nice bottom. Ways that are not my cup of tea. Got SMCI pointing back, PayPal. VLCN still testing the profit taken or resistance. It's not bad. VLCN is the strongest stock for now, guys. Jumping up again from the resistance. Yoka pulling back. It's not good for now. Yeah, VLCN is really strong. EVX, I think it have a really chance for a reversal now. SMCI, I would wait for a dip. Interesting. Palantir is pulling back a bit. Nvidia looking great for another jump for now. Yeah, SMCI is pulling back. Nvidia is doing great. We got, you took some time to travel. Nice. Travel is good, man. CABT. Let's see this one. CAPT. Oh no, man. No, 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 no. This dangerous one, man. John, I like you. I know that you like dangers, but this one, it is the danger. This one really bad. For now, at least, because it just came and got halted. So the 63 should be a good support. If we held it, yeah, we might go towards or over the $1. So I'm gonna keep it for later, not now. EVAX, guys, is the best one right now because it reversed from our bottom, the $3.40. We discussed this reversal earlier on our live streaming on our Discord. We discussed this entry zone. Even some of you asked me, one of our elite member here, yes, Knight Rider, he said, is it still good or not? And of course, we said it's better to enter here. Knight Rider, hopefully you have your entry for EVAX because right now it's reversing. As we said, it's not good to enter once you ask me like on our live streaming on YouTube. You asked me before 10 minutes before the market opened, and now we have a nice reversal, 7%. So make sure to take a bit of profit right now. You are welcome, man. Make sure to take profit. Don't get greedy. 7%, take at least 50% from your trade. So even the price go down on you, you'll be breaking even and even get a bit of profit. So now we reverse 7%. Make sure to take a bit of profit and let the other go until the $4 here. And we might squeeze toward the 440 and 480, but less chance because it got shorted big time here. So it's a bit shorted. So yeah, it was good reversal here, man. You see, man, this is a good lesson for you to wait for the price to come to you. Never run after the price. That's what we say. Never run. The price will come to you if you just be patient. Nvidia jumping, guys, nicely here. Nvidia could be really good for today. Jumping really good here. Which one is better? There's one here in Paris, Disney World in Paris. I don't know if the Florida one is bigger, but I think the one in Florida is bigger because Disney is American one. So maybe the Florida one is much better. Yeah, you have to be young, man. Don't laugh at yourself. Visiting Disney is not for youngs. You have to be always a child inside. SMCI started to reverse as well. Nvidia is getting near the 122. It would be great if we go there. Okay, Nvidia trying. Yeah, 1% here. Okay, so I'm gonna put alert here just in case if we pull back. SMCI is still jumping. Nvidia, another jump up. Okay. Yeah, it's getting near a major resistance right now, Nvidia. We might have a pullback now for Nvidia. SMCI pulling back, TEM pulling back, Tesla nothing much. PayPal is still pulling back. Anyway, so VLCN guys got halted and jumped toward the second profit taken now around the $9.80. EVAX pulled back again. SMCI is still holding the current support. We got Nvidia, yeah, it's pulling back now. It's time for a little pullback. SMCI looking really interesting for another jump if we held the current support here. Yeah, 27.78. Look at that. Yeah, I think we got some seller for SMCI here. 28.88. Yeah, SMCI could be good for today if we broke this level. Not now. Anyway, we got huge reversal right now. Florida has Animal Kingdom, and Magic Kingdom is the same site as Paris. Interesting. Florida is way bigger. Paris was my favorite for years, but they aren't as magic as before. Interesting. Why the magic is gone, man? Why you think the magic is gone? The magic is everywhere, man. You have to find it inside of you. A lot of people say like there is no romance in France, and the funny part is if you don't feel the romance in Paris, is mean you're looking at the wrong place. Love and romance and magic is everywhere, guys, if you look at the right place, of course. FUBO, what's going on with FUBO? Wow, yes, FUBO started pumping, guys. Oh, brother, FUBO. Look at this chart, man. I'm telling you, this one is juicing up. Is juicing up right now. So FUBO, I'm gonna put it on the list to trade later. AZTR, no good for me, man. IVVD is kind of shady, but still okay. TNXB, no good. We have reverse split tomorrow, guys. Be careful for TNXB. Is heavy dilution is coming up. So we only got those stocks right now to watch. EVAX still holding. We got SMCI trying to break the resistance. FUBO jump right now. PayPal for a reversal. CAPT still holding the current support. It reversed perfectly from the 63. VLCN, the top unicorn for today, but again, we don't trade it because we only allowed to buy just 25 shares. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. We have to wrap up our live streaming. Of course, we're gonna go back tomorrow to discuss the market. WBA not good, man. Tomorrow we're gonna discuss the market as usual around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you came late today, make sure to come early tomorrow for more action for the market. Remember, early live streaming always on our Discord. Today it was great hunt for Palantir because we did a nice short update before the breakout that happened for the major earnings for Palantir. We said 78.20, it is the pump area if we held it. And of course, it's still pumping. Let's see if it's still pumping right now. Holy moly, still pumping around the 26. And the buyers just came in again. They bought the dip here. There's some crazy people just buying Palantir for every little dip. This is really funny. Anyway, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for being here. And of course, don't forget to hit the like and spread the word that we are here and Jesus is trading the market. Come on, guys. See you tomorrow, of course, at the same time, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Sally, you are welcome. Adex G, my brother, you are welcome. Adex G, wow, honeymoon in Paris. She's a lucky woman, man. She hit the jackpot. Not a lot of Americans can have honeymoon in Paris. Alex G, you are the G. You are the G, man. Nvidia dumping down, of course. Of course. Yes, pulling back, not dump. Guys, don't say dump. This is just correction. Because we got the near the resistance here, the 122. The same for SMCI. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. See you by tomorrow at the same time. Stay blessed. Don't get overthrown or paranoid about the market. Let the price come to you and never run after the price. This is it. See you by tomorrow, guys. Stay blessed.